Hello, welcome back. So now we have understood that the journey of 3D printing will start with the CAD model or 3D model. So for that we will use Tinkercad. So in this lecture we will talk about how we can use Tinkercad, how we can log in Tinkercad. So firstly you have to go to the Google and you have to search Tinkercad. And once you will search Tinkercad, you will find these links. So you have to click on first link, Tinkercad create 3D digital designs with online CAD model. So you have to click this, and after clicking this you will see the window of Tinkercad. As you know, Tinkercad is online software. You don't need to download it, you just need to log in into this software. So here you will see join now. You have to click on join now. If you have already signed in Tinkercad, you can sign in by your ID and password, and if you are new and beginner, you just have to go to the join now. When you click on join now, then you will see three options. First one is educators. Start here. If you are educator, if you are teacher, then you can log in educators. Start here, because here you can add students into your class by sending the link. And here second is students join a class. If you are a student and some teacher is taking lectures about Tinkercad, you can join this. You can join his class by student login. And other is create a personal account. I will recommend you start with create a personal account. So you just need to create a personal account. Now after clicking this, you will see there are three options: sign up with email, sign in with Google, and sign in with Apple. So whatever convenient way for you, you can log in. You go to sign up with email. You can sign up with your email. So here your country, I am from India, so I will select India. Your date of month, you can just you can put your date of birth here, and then go to the next. And here they will ask you about your email. So I am just, and here I agree. Click on the agree and create your account. Done. And once you have created your account, you will log in with Tinkercad. So here you will see this window, and you just need to cross it, welcome India text, and you can start with 3D printing by clicking on create new design. You just need to click on create new design and you will be okay. Here you are ready with Tinkercad. Now you can start your Tinkercad learning journey. So in next lecture we will talk about how this workplane will work, what are the different options available in Tinkercad for making a 3D model. Thank you. If you want to learn complete 3D printing and make a career in this field, you can click to the link given in description box and start your journey now. In this course you will learn 3D printing, also known as additive manufacturing, from start to finish. This course includes design of 3D models, slicing of 3D model, 3D scanning, types of 3D printers, STL file formats, post-processing, 3D printing materials, and many more, along with assignments and quizzes. At the end of the course, you will get a certificate which will help you for your job interviews. The prices of course is so minimal that everyone can afford. So see you inside the course. Thank you.